At SafetyQuip, we've noticed an increase in the volume of questions from clients about respiratory protection against silica. If you've decided that you're needing full face respirators for protection against silica or other fine particles, this kit here is worth a look at. This is the 3M 6835 Asbestos, Silica and Dust Respirator Kit. The respirator that's supplied in the kit is this one. It's supplied with the first two sets of filters. The filters are the 3M 6035 P3 Particulate Filter. You'll notice that it's got an outer cover on the filter, so that's great if it's a particularly dusty area that you're using the respirator and filters in, because you can wipe it down more easily. The airflow that comes into the filter is around the back. That kit is available from SafetyQuip. Speak with the crew at your local SafetyQuip branch for further information.